remove the film for the gasket. Oh, sometimes it does come up.
For the A plus. We have one left. That one for the A plus. That's the only one.
Now, in putting these gaskets back, it will improve a little bit of the moisture resistance, but it won't be completely waterproof because little areas where there is a gap, there is still going to be moisture that penetrates through. So I always advise the customers not to expect waterproofness out of it. Moisture resistant, meaning like a little bit of light rain will catch it or remove it as soon as possible. We'll go ahead and end the video at this point.